Good morning children. Today we are going to learn chapter 5 geometry, that is transversal. If we take the two lines M and N which are non-parallel and L is the another line which intersect these two lines, and we call this intersecting line as a transversal. That is, the transversal is a line that intersects two lines at distinct points. Distinct point means different points. When the two lines are cut by the transversal, we will get 8 angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. From this we can see that angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. In the same way, angle 2, angle 4, angle 5, angle 7, angle 6 and angle 8. These four pairs of angles are vertically opposite angles. The next angles that is formed by the transversal is corresponding angles. Observe the pair of angles, angle 1 and angle 5, that are marked on the right side of the transversal, and angle 1 lies above the line M and angle 5 lies above the line N. The same way, if you observe 2 and 6, it lies on the left side of the transversal. Angle 2 lies above the line M and angle 6 lies above the line N. Then observe the pair 3 and 7 which lies on the left hand side of the transversal, and angle 3 lies below the line M, 7 lies below the line N. First 4 and 8 also, it lies on the right hand side of the transversal and below the line M and below the line N. So all these pairs of angles have different vertices, lie on the same side of the transversal but lie one above or below the lines M and N. Such pair of angles are called as corresponding angles. That is, angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. If the lines, that is the line M and N, are parallel lines and it cut by the transversal L, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. That is, angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 7 and angle 4 is equal to angle 8. The next angle we are going to see is alternate interior angles. Here, each pair of angles, that is angle 3, angle 5 and angle 4 and angle 6 are marked on the opposite sides of the transversal and are lying between the lines M and N. Then we call this pair of angles as alternate interior angles. Angle 3 and 5 which lies on the opposite sides of the transversal but it lies in between M and N. Same way, angle 4 and 6 also lies between M and N with opposite sides of the transversal. Here also, if the two lines, that is M and N, are parallel and it cut by the transversal, then we say that these pair of angles are equal. That is, angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Alternate exterior angles. Here, each pair of angles, angle 1 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 8 are marked on the opposite sides of the transversal and are lying outside the line M and N. So, we call this pair of angles as alternate exterior angles. Here also, if the M and N are parallel lines and it cut by the transversal, then we say that alternate exterior angles are equal. That is, angle 1 is equal to angle 7 and angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Next is then interior angles and exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. First we will see the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Here each pair of angles, angle 3, angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5 are marked on the same side of the transversal and are lying in between M and N. Therefore we call these angles as interior angles are co-interior angles. That is, angle 3 and angle 6 are co-interior angles. Angle 4 and angle 5 are co-interior angles. In the same way, here 1 and 8, angle 2 and angle 7 that are lies on the same side of the transversal, and it lies outside the line M and N. Therefore, we call this pair of angles as exterior angles. Then we call 1 and 8 as co-exterior angles, 2 and 7 as co-exterior angles. For the same way, if M and N are parallel and they are cut by the transversal, then we say that each pair of interior angles are supplementary. Same for the exterior angles. That is, each pair of exterior angles are supplementary if M and N are parallel lines cut by the transversal M. Supplementary means the sum of these angles, angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Same way for exterior angles, angle 1 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 2 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree. Thank you.